What's up, guys? So for today, we're going to start off by priming our face. I always use Maybelline's Master Prime. And next, we're just going to map out our face using a light brown brow pencil. To help our eyeshadow stick, I'm using MAC Painterly Paint Pot to prime my lids. Picking up the Kat Von D Saint Center palette, I am going to pick up the black shade and shade my eyes in. Using a black liquid liner, I am going to map out my nose. Ugh, the teeth literally killed me. It took me forever to do the teeth on this look. But I just picked up I believe it's the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and basically made just like little Hershey kisses. And next, using the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer, I'm just going to fill in those teeth. And now I'm just going to fill in the little hollows of my cheeks. Picking up more whiteout concealer, I am going to cover what is in the triangle on my face. I had to switch to smaller brushes to get those small little detailed areas. Next, I'm just going to set everything with some Airspun translucent powder. And next, I'm just going to apply some foundation to the rest of my face. And going in with a small detailed brush, I'm just going to make some cracks. I also have to contour my face, so I'm just going to go in with some Bahama Mama bronzer. I thought it was looking a little flat and plain, so I wanted to add some rhinestones to it. And I just did this with eyelash glue. Here she is. This is by far the best look I've done so far. I am obsessed with it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And of course, thank you for watching.